We are showing you this house and lot for sale located here in Bacolor, Pampanga. So let's check it out.
Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go.
This property has a lot area of 300 square meters, floor area of 320 square meters. It has 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, powder room, spacious living area, dining area, service kitchen, stop room, storage area, laundry area, private swimming pool, and 2 carport. Priced at 28 million pesos. Contact us for viewing. Sad pa lang ng house. It's very grand yung house nating feature today. So you can see this clean lines and very interesting tong pedestrian gate because arch siya and wood design yung ating material na ginamit dito. Plus we have this cons lighting, we have greenery in front and this elevated step going to the pedestrian gate, and this is your 2 to 3 carport. Depende sa size ng vehicle nyo, but this carport is fairly wide. We have this steel gate right here. So let's go through this steel gate para sa ating carport. So yung carport natin, mataas siya. So it can fit even tall cars and wide cars. Tiled yung ating carport. Just excuse the motorcycles na nandito kasi may mga workers pa tayo. And this elevated path right here leads to our swimming pool. So it's very nice. Good size pool. May greenery tayo dito, but let's enter through the main door. Okay. On this side, very interesting because we have these steps going to your front door. But let us check out this pocket garden right here. Napakaganda. And this is the way to your service area. Okay? And from the inside, nakita natin yung ganda ng ating pedestrian gate. Plus this styling na ginamit sa wall. Very, very nice. Okay. Now we have this double door. Welcome. So it immediately gives you that grand feel pagpasok. Come in. So to my left, dito yung ating living area. Guys, wala pang electricity yung bahay, but imagine we're shooting at 10 a.m. So very bright yung ating house. So we have this living area under the stairs. Dito, tagusan siya, but it's up to you kung gusto mo gawing storage. Okay. Walk through here. We have these sliding doors that leads to your pool area. Ayan. And I don't know kung mafe-feel nyo. Of course, hindi. Sa camera, but sobrang mahangin dito sa area ng Bacolor na ito. Okay? Now, this will be your dining. Ang ganda rin ng ating cove lighting. Okay? And to my right is the beautiful show kitchen. We have this countertop right here. Island counter. We have the sink. And branded siya. We have air conditioning installed. We have these windows that lets in so much natural light. Over here, we have, of course, our countertop. Space for your range. Your 2-door refrigerator and storage. Abundant storage up there. Now, under the island counter, marami ring storage dito. So, hindi tayo mauubusan ng storage options dito sa house natin. Okay. Also, this door leads to our daily kitchen. So, daily kitchen, bright din kasi may big window. We have the sink right here, countertop, storage, and more storage underneath. Plus, it has a dedicated pantry space over here for your groceries and your stocks. Diba? Diyan yan siya. Okay. Then, we have a door right here. So, for example, May mga groceries tayo, pwedeng diretso na dito sa side. Plus, this way is our laundry space or laundry area. So we have a counter right there, sink, provision for your washer and dryer. And this door right here is your staff room. Hindi na lang natin ni-open because may mga personal items inside. Then, paikot ulit, going out to the front of the house. So let's go back in. Okay. Doon na tayo dumaan sa ating pool area. Kaya ang ganda, oh. Now, going back in, we have 3 doors over here. So let's check out this first door. This first door is a dedicated storage space. Dito rin yung ating water heater and yung ating breaker. So may dedicated space tayo. Pwede palagyan ng mga shelves dyan for your stuff. Then we have a bedroom on the ground floor. So we have this abundant space right here. Bed will go right here. We have outlets on both sides. Air conditioning installed. We have a big window. Of course, outlets. This one is a Jack and Jill toilet. So come in. So very spacious. We have this toilet. Your very wide shower space. Rainfall shower head. And of course, our sink. And dito na tayo lalabas. Okay. Because it's shared dun sa ating living area. Okay? Ganda. One more look sa ating kitchen. Dining and our living area over here. Now, we go to the second floor. So we have these wooden steps, tempered glass na handrails. And guys, let us appreciate this double height ceiling sa ating living area. Napakaganda, oh. Sobrang aliwalas, no? Okay, wooden steps, mid-landing. Then, paglapag mo ng second floor, we have this herringbone design na tiling over here. Really nice. So let's check out this first door. So the first door is a room. I would say this is a multi-purpose room. Pwede mong gawing office, a bedroom. We have a big window right here and kita natin maraming greens sa labas ng ating property. Okay. Now, the next door is very nice because this is a storage room or a linen closet. Di ba napakaganda? Lagyan ng shelves, di ba, for your, of course, your stuff. Then, we have this door right here, which is your first bedroom on the second floor. Very good space. Nag-overflow yung ating herringbone design tiling. We have outlets on both sides. We have cabinets right here. We have this study or vanity over here. Plus, we have our ensuite toilet and bath that has your sink, your toilet, and your partially enclosed shower with rainfall shower head. Plus, guys, ang ganda ng choice of tiles na ginamit dito. I don't know if ma-appreciate nyo sa ating video. Okay? And, very important, we have this ventilation window right here na may mga screen na rin. Okay? Let's check out the next room. This area, dito pwede ka pa maglagay ng couch because it's very spacious. Couch or console, di ba? Pwede pa dyan. And another space right here that can be a reading nook or a prayers area, up to you. The next door is another bedroom. We have, of course, the bed will go right here. We have cabinet, vanity or study. Air conditioning is installed. Big windows. Plus your ensuite toilet and bath. That is your sink, your toilet, and your partially enclosed shower with rainfall shower head. Very nice. Now, let's check out the master. So dito, from this area, we have a big window that overlooks your pool. and your master bedroom balcony over there. So let's go. Upon entry sa master bedroom, we have a door right here. This is your access to your master bedroom balcony. Imagine relaxing over here. Pinapanood natin yung kids na nag-replace sa pool. Very nice. Okay. Then, we have this abundant amount of space for your master. Bed will go right here. We have outlets on both sides. Big windows around. Air conditioning is installed. We have a console right here that houses our CCTV monitors right here. This area over here is your walk-in. We have this closet space that has your racks, your shelves, and drawers. More over here. And your master bathroom. Toilet, sink, and partially enclosed shower that has an interesting tile design also, plus big windows for natural light and ventilation. Okay? So, let's do the recap. This property has a lot area of 300 square meters, floor area of 320 square meters. It has 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, powder room, spacious living area, dining area, service kitchen, stuff room, storage area, laundry area, private swimming pool, and 2 carport. Priced at 28 million pesos. Contact us for viewing.
Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty. Together with our director, Ken, we hope to help you find your next property. Until next time, God bless. Bye.